What's up, everybody? Back again with another video on the 2008 Camry. Today we're gonna get these door panels off and install some aftermarket speakers because these ones are blown out. So we're putting these in, and the pieces you will need is a speaker adapter. You can find this on Amazon, about $35 for two. I already tried to get them off. I got my door panel off and they didn't fit because I didn't have this piece right here. It's a 6x9 speaker, but it needs an adapter. And if you don't get the adapter, then you're gonna have to use stock speakers that came with the car, which I don't think are as good quality as aftermarket speakers. And these are just Walmart speakers, Sony, 50 bucks. I got them in the rear deck. They're very good. And then you're gonna need these also because the wiring is connected to this. It's not wiring like this. You could maybe cut the wires and do it yourself, but these adapters is what you're gonna need. This is also on Amazon. Speaker harness fits Toyota. Metro. Then you're just gonna need a little pry kit, screwdriver, and this with a 10mm socket, I believe. And then yeah, that's about it. So let me show you what we're gonna do to get this off. And get prying at it to begin. So I don't really have a stand or nothing. I wish I did kind of have a stand to sit right here, but I don't. So I'm gonna have to show you guys from like point of view. But yeah, this is the first piece you want to get. Nothing's too difficult, really. See, just gotta remember, it's a Toyota. Everything comes out with some pressure. That's it. Look at that. Didn't break any clips. Nothing. Simple. And you got one screw here, one screw here. Need a screwdriver. Then you're gonna want to get this piece also. See, if it doesn't come out this way, try maybe this way. Doesn't want to come out this way, try the top, you see? Falls right out. Oops. Usually don't need too much force. Then you're gonna want to get this one out. Forget how I did this. I put the blue LEDs in here already, so I remember doing it. But I remember this was kind of one of the harder ones to get out. That piece was giving me a hard time, but all I used was my, where to go, wherever it is, my smaller piece, and it just popped right out. I was just using too much of a big one. But another piece you need to get out that I forgot is this piece right here, which also just comes out with that. On the door handle, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Open the door handle, this piece comes out. You got your next screw right here. I don't really put stuff, I really didn't put everything tight at all, as you can see. I put it actually kind of loose because I knew I was going to be right back at it. Get that out. Put these already on the ground for now. And yeah, pop this out. Give it a lift up because this is all out now, you see? Once it's out, all the sides, this is just a metal piece connected to the window blade. Not the blade, but the piece that is right here. So you want to lift it up, push upwards very hard, and then it'll come right out. Set the panel down wherever you want. That's it. So I'm gonna go. Right, we got that out. As you can see, this is the piece I was talking about that it connects to right here. That metal piece. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but you got these two right here. It's just up, pull it up and out. These pop right out. Remember, the green is the bottom, white is the top. The length kind of tells you what it is, so it's not easy to forget. Then these are kind of just plug and play. You can tell this is the bigger one, the one on the right side from us. Then down there is your light wire, which goes right there. But yeah, let me go ahead and do that, and then let's get this piece of crap speaker out of here. As you can see, it's blown out. The panel off, and you have 4 10mm bolts right here, and these screws are not necessary to take out, I believe. So you know they're not. And then right here, as you can see, is a one-piece speaker. The speaker is connected to the adapter piece right here. So it's a 6x9 speaker, but you need to buy the adapter piece in order to put aftermarket speakers. So let's make sure our adapter fits. And it looks like it does. Perfect. So now all we do is grab this, put that in just like that. This fits in there as well. Then we have our speaker adapter, wire adapter, which also fits in perfect. Right here is a speaker wire. As you can see, it's not speaker wires connected to the speaker, then to this right here, which is like a clip. So you need to get the adapter right here. So we're gonna run the speaker wire to my speaker, my aftermarket speaker right there, and then just connect this straight into here, and it fits nice and flush. So we'll get back to you after that. All right, so we got the screws in to the adapter. Now we're gonna take this over here. It's already getting dark quick. And we're gonna go ahead and, we're not gonna plug that in yet, but we're gonna bolt the speaker in, plug it in after that. We'll plug it in and then bolt it in. And then I'm gonna get back to you guys after that. All right, so we got the speaker in. We ran the adapter to the side, connected the speaker wire. And we're about to reinstall the door panel. And that's about it. Here is our door speaker. Now we have our passenger speaker on. We have our driver's side off now. And the driver's side is not like 3 clips, it's just 1 clip which controls all the window controls and all that, which is actually makes life easier. So we just have these 2, and then the window controls and all that type of stuff. Then we have our wire for our door light and our speaker wire, which we already ran through the side of the aftermarket speaker right here with our adapters. So we're gonna go ahead and bolt that on, put that door panel back on. I'll probably leave it at that for this video, guys. So thanks for watching and everything, and